In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Bolt coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Bolt coupon code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called Retail Me Not. So as you can see right here, we have some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with a free first ride, all you need to do right here is just select this button where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and you can use this promo code on your first ride in order to get a free first ride. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called WeThrift. So as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes as well that we can use. So let's say, for example, you want to get this one with 25% discount on your first ride. So all you need to do is just select this button where it says copy code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply select and copy this promo code and you can use it on your first ride in order to get a 25% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.